Sir.
Am I audible, madam? Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay, wait for 2 more minutes, sir. We'll start.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, we'll start the session now, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, good afternoon to one and all present here. So, it's my pleasure to introduce our chief guest. So, our uh, chief guest is Dr. M. Sivakumar, received his BE degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Sri Chandrasekendra Saraswati Viswamaga Vidyalaya and ME degree in Applied Electronics from Anna University, Chennai. He obtained his PhD degree from Sri Chandrasekendra Saraswati Viswamaga Vidyalaya in the year 2019. He has 20 years of technical and teaching experience in the field of engineering education. He published more than 50 papers in journals and conferences at the level of both international and national. He authored 3 books in the field of engineering. His research interests include digital filter design and implementation, CAD algorithms for high-level synthesis, and new logical operator design, filter bank, multi-carrier, VLSI design, and verification. He has published 1 patent at his credit. Also, he have started YouTube channel to post MATLAB software related videos of all engineering streams. So with this, once again, I welcome you, sir. The session over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your introduction. First
Thank
of
you,
all,
sir.
I would like to thank the management of Nanamani College of Engineering, especially Principal Sir Kannan and Mamesari Madam, and also my special thanks to Vetrivel Sir from MCA department. Thank you so much. In this session, participants in this session, we are going to discuss about virtual reality based on Simulink based application, Simulink MATLAB Simulink based application. Let me know in chat box where anyone of you having laptop means just put in the message in chat box so that we can interact in the session. Parallelly, we can do the experiments in the hands-on manner. Let me know how many of you having a laptop with MATLAB software. Okay, no problem. Just we see the session. We go to the session. Here, this is the title. There's a hands-on approach for virtual reality. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, madam. Hands-on approach for virtual reality applications using MATLAB Simulink. Okay, this is conducted by organized by Computer Science Engineering Department. These are all the contents we are going to discuss with this short time. introduction to MATLAB Simulink and MATLAB 3D animation toolbox and virtual reality world driven by Simulink models and AR world with computer vision toolbox. Later we'll see what is toolbox, what is the Simulink and all. Okay, then you can import CAD model and robot model. There is a CAD library. You can design any type of 3D images, 3D structures, 3D scenes. We can import by using this MATLAB Simulink.
Sir, sir, so participants, just wait for a while. Resource person left the meeting. He will join now. Kindly
Okay,
wait
ma'am.
for a few more minutes. Okay.
I think now audible. Now my screen is visible.
So please share your screen, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay, sorry for the technical error. Here we start with the first thing. Here now it is okay. Now it is visible.
Yeah, you go to slideshow mode, sir. Slideshow.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, these are all the contents we are going to discuss. Introduction to MATLAB toolbox and virtual reality, Simulink models, that is your AR world with computer vision toolbox, and also import CAD and robot models. Link interface to Simulink and Simscape multiple body models, and virtual reality applications using MATLAB. Here, these are the introduction. Later, we circulate this PPT so that you can easily understand. Because we have less time, just to move the slides. What is MATLAB here? Here, this is what is Simulink. Here, Simulink is a block diagram environment for multi-domain simulation and model-based design. Here, it supports system-level simulation and automatic code generation. These are all the things are there. What is the Simulink? Simulink provides a graphical editor and also customizable block libraries and solvers also there. Okay, here, how to get the Simulink, how to interface with MATLAB software. Now we are going to see the MATLAB software. This is the MATLAB software. Once you can you able to see the screen, MATLAB screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the MATLAB screen. Once you click the MATLAB icon in your desktop or in your laptop, in this manner, the windows are coming here. This is a normal mode. These are editor mode. In this mode, we can write the program like this. Like you see C++, you can write your one program. Here, this is called editor window. This is called your command window. This is your workspace. Workspace, in this window, the value of variables that are created in editor and displayed here. This window displays the exact location, that is path of the program files being created here. Here, this is a command window. In this command window, here you can type the executable command so that immediately your task can be executed and result will be produced here. Here, one method is called editor. Here, this is called the script programming. Here, you have to type your program and all things. How to go to Simulink here? Here, this is a MATLAB Simulink. This is a block diagram environment. This is also called as graphical programming. Once you type in command window Simulink, we can get the Simulink window like this. This window, this Simulink, you start with the Simulink. Alternatively, you can hit this Simulink button at the top of the MATLAB icon. Here, this is a Simulink icon. Also, it's one of the way to get this Simulink window. Okay, once you enter the command in command prompt or click this icon, you will get the image like this, Simulink start page. Here itself, you can create, these are old one, this is a history sheet source. Here, there are a lot of models are there, blank subsystem, blank library, you can create, project you can create, code generation project you can create. Based on that, so many applications are there, so many models are there. I click blank model so that I have selected what is our virtual reality based applications experiments you can see. This is our Simulink window. In the Simulink window, we can see for 4 types of options are there: file, prepare, simulate, and review results, and also simulation block. This is your debug block. This is your modeling block. This is your format block. This is your apps blocks. Based on that apps, you can call the functions, call the particular applications you can see. Okay, this is your modeling, Simulink modeling. This is your library browser. This is called a library browser, sir. Once you click this icon, what are the toolbox available in your version, MATLAB version, we can create. We can check. Based on that, in same way, just you see, just how to start this MATLAB Simulink. Once you click the MATLAB model, blank model, these are building models will appear here. Otherwise, you can hit the button Control N. You will get the new window. The next one, these are all the things we can get. We are now only got. These are Simulink blocks, sinks and source. What are the toolbox available here? This is shown here. There is then this is a common example for MATLAB for everyone. How you get the MATLAB online? You can also, without any installation, without any purchase, we can use MATLAB online with us, some MathWorks given some 30 days trial and all things. Otherwise, we can, what is the latest version? 2021 A now is the latest version. It also you can get by using, you have to register with MathWorks website. Go to register with MathWorks website. You will get the demo version or your MATLAB online. You can directly by using this link, you can get it. Okay. Also, we can use MATLAB Drive like Google Drive. MATLAB Drive also there. What are the design you are developed? What are the tasks you are developed? It also saved in MATLAB Drive. Anywhere you can take from through this Google MATLAB Drive. Here there are MATLAB Grader also there. Nowadays we are moved with virtual reality based education systems. Based on that, MATLAB Grader, which helps student assignments, use the existing problem sets, or create your own auto grading and immediate feedback to learners. And instructors can contact. You can overall wish to access this problem set library. You can easily will give the demonstration and all. Here some free classes, training classes and random tutorials also available through this link. You can click this link, you can get this more number of tutorials and more number of free classes and all. Okay, now we start with introduction to virtual reality with MATLAB. Here, what is virtual reality with MATLAB means? These are three-dimensional animation of simulation results. Here, in older versions like 2010, before 2010 version, MATLAB 2010 version, it's called as virtual reality toolbox. Now it is renamed as Simulink 3D animation block set, Simulink 3D animation toolbox. And with this block set, we can easily simulate three-dimensional animation scenes and all. One of the best example is we can create any type of virtual scenes before you move to hardware. Here, somebody having a doubt with what is virtual reality. Here, virtual reality uses a simulator to immerse users in a real-time 3D virtual world, creating a truly unique experience. VR refers to a computer-generated simulation in which a person can interact with an artificial 3D environment. Whereas if you go for what is the difference between this augmented and virtual reality means, AR uses the existing real-world environment and puts virtual information on to enhance the experience. Whereas if you go for VR immerses users, allowing them inhabit an entirely different environment. Virtual reality with you can interface with devices, input devices called here microphone or any other cloud sensors. Also, you can interface there. The MATLAB offers this virtual reality environment. Also, you can interface your CAD models. Once you develop with CAD models, any type of X3D files you can import, and also you can animate your project, and also in real time model. VR is combination of software and hardware. Here, software creates the virtual environment. Hardware you can interface based on your applications. Okay, here this virtual reality term that applies to a computer simulated environments that can simulate physical presence in places in the real world as well as in the imaginary worlds. Okay, so that you can create 2D environment animation and 3D environment animation with this real-time hardware. Also, you can interface. MATLAB and Simulink allows user to display simulation results with virtual reality approaches. Here is some small introduction about this 3D animation toolbox, and the MATLAB having so many list of toolbox. Here in this particular type of virtual reality based applications, we are using MATLAB Simulink 3D animation toolbox. Here, this Simulink 3D animation links Simulink model and MATLAB algorithms to 3D graphics object in virtual reality scenes. You can animate a virtual world by changing position and scale and rotation and all things. We can animate. Here also sensor collisions and sensor based applications you can implement by using this 3D animation toolbox. Here also you can the important application, for example, virtual cameras. Video from virtual cameras can be streamed to Simulink for processing. It may be image processing or it may be video processing. Here you can acquire the image, acquire the video from the virtual cameras and virtual sensors. It is one of the best example, one of the best application of this particular MATLAB Simulink 3D animation toolbox. Here, this 3D animation toolbox includes editors and viewers for entering and interacting. Yes, any problem with any problem? Let me know any problem with this presentation.
No, sir. Please continue.
Hello.
No, sir. Everything is fine. Please
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Simulink 3D animation includes editors and viewers for rendering and interactive with virtual scenes. Here, with the 3D world editor, we can import CAD and URDF file formats so that we can design 3D objects based things. This is a toolbox. That is a MATLAB 3D animation toolbox library. In this toolbox library, how you can get this toolbox library from MATLAB? Just previously, we have created one a Simulink blocks. That is a untitled. This is a empty Simulink blocks. Once you click the library browser, you will get what are the tools, what are the blocks are available here. For example, if you go for communication toolbox, here error detection and error correction and source coding, because we are so many of you come from computer science department, so that this is a source coding also available here. So interleaving and error detection and error correction block. This is a convolutional block, BCS code. Just you drag and drag into the empty model. We can connect by using this one. Later we will discuss. Here, these are Simulink 3D animation toolbox. These are all the toolbox we are going to use for these particular applications. Here, what is the VR is nothing but virtual reality. Here, joystick input, space mouse input, VR syncs and VR signal expander. And this is our VR source and VR text output, VR to video. That is a virtual reality to video block. These are all the blocks are inbuilt functions in MATLAB. Here there are so many examples files are there. Once you click, otherwise you can get how you get this one. And go to MATLAB command window. Just you type VR live. You will get this in the VR library. There is a virtual reality library. You will get this at Simulink 3D animation toolbox. Here, lot of blocks are there. In this block, just you drag and drop into browser. Just you see VR source and VR sync. Based on that, just you can develop your own model. Just for example purpose, I am sending one model. There's a VR source. Here, these are VR source, nothing but reads the Simulink values from virtual world nodes file. Here in this field, we can also here also we can use one more language called VRML language. .VRML language. That is a virtual reality modeling language. So that if you give virtual reality 3D files, you can browse. There is a VRML files you can browse. That is X3D files you can import. So that these are by using this VR source, we can select your input. This is a sync is nothing but your output device. Here also you can play your animation. Once you develop your model, play with animation with this VR sync. This is one simple example. So many examples are there in MathWorks website. These are all the things that is a virtual reality based applications, a rotating membrane with MATLAB, and the car in the mountain, heat transfer visualizations. So many visualizations. Before you move to hardware, just you can see, for example, one car company sell this product. For example, automatic accident preventing system. For example, their products having this particular application, that particular advantage. How can their refer? How can they sell the product?
Hello, sir.
By using this
Hello, sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
Can you increase the font in the editor because options are not visible properly?
What, madam? What I have to do?
Just increase the font in the editor because whichever options you are choosing, that is not clearly visible.
Okay, madam. Okay. Now it is visible, na? This example file.
Sir, your screen is visible, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Okay, madam. We
But
continue.
font is very, it is in very small size. Can you increase the font size?
Okay, now I increase the font size.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, these are all the examples available in MathWorks website. These are all, for example, car in the mountain and e-transfer visualization. And also we can create your own virtual reality images or virtual reality scenes or virtual reality videos. We can interact with some more input and output devices like sensors and all things. Nowadays, we are using with virtual reality applications with some smart gloves as one of the favorite application in these virtual reality based applications. Also, virtual reality means software plus hardware. We can interface any type of hardware. The MATLAB supports more number of hardwares also there. For example, here if you want to create one drone application, here for example Parrot mini drones, so many drones are there. Based on that, we can hardware support packages available in MathWorks website. It is we can take from, go to home window. Here there is a add-ons. Here get hardware support packages. Once you register on the MathWorks website, you can get it like this add-on explorer. Based on that, it takes some more time. Okay, here I already installed MATLAB support packages for Arduino hardware. Here, this is a legacy MATLAB Simulink support. We can also implement for every applications, that is Internet of Things based applications. We need some more hardware. For example, nowadays where people are using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Okay, once you want to interface with the Raspberry Pi or Arduino board, with you can control IO pins, you can control Arduino or Raspberry Pi board or any type of digital signal processing boards. That's a Texas Experiments, Texas manufacturers supporting boards and the FPGA boards, Xilinx boards. So many boards are available here. Based on that, once you want to use for this hardware, you need to install the software hardware support packages. Here in this installed means I have installed this hardware support packages for Arduino hardware. I had installed Simulink support packages for Arduino hardware. I have installed this Raspberry Pi hardware. Based on that, some drone. That is later we will discuss about this drone project. Here I want to interface with Parrot mini drone application. This is a software packages. This software package for Parrot drones. Here you have to install. Based on that, once you register MathWorks, it supports to install. You can upgrade your MATLAB version. Okay, so that you can install this MATLAB support packages for Parrot type of Parrot drones. Okay, so if there is any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, then this is a VR library you are get. There's a what are the application toolbox available here? Here there are
Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. I'm having one small doubt, sir. If I'm an expert in Python, whether this particular MATLAB with Simulink will help me, sir?
Yes, we can also not only with Python, we can also integrate with any type of languages it supports. For example, if you write program in VHDL or Verilog or C, C++, and also some Python library also. Once you make your projects in Python, you can call the Python library into the MATLAB. It also supports Python software also, Python language also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then this is a MATLAB toolbox. It has a 3D world editor and a 3D animation player. How you can get this VR edit? This is a apps, that is application presented in VR toolbox. Here, this is the 3D world editor. In this 3D world editor, there are the scenes are available here. Here itself, you can create your own design, create your own virtual reality environment. Okay, here for example, we discuss with this type of application. This type of application you can see. These are all the UAV compatible example rigid body visualizations, and also you can import your FBX model from Paint 3D into a virtual world, and you can import CAD and robot models. So many things are possible with this MATLAB toolbox. Okay, here this is the interactive apps are the 3D world editor and 3D animation player. Once you created your animation files, that is a virtual reality based files, you can play by using this 3D animation player. And also we can edit or design your 3D animation scene or 3D animation video by using this 3D World editor. How you can get this editor? Just you type VR edit, you can get this editor option. For example, here there is a lot of options are available here. Go to add appearance and geometry. Also, you can appear. You can select. This is a you can get insert. You insert any number of 3D scenes. Otherwise, you can import your design. Import from STL file. Import from URDF file. Import from STF file. There are so many kind of 3D files are there. Once you download this file, also you can import from by using this path. You can import. Otherwise, you can insert from this stored library. Some of the components are present in default manner. For example, component library. Here there are, if you want to create aircraft design means just these are the aircraft designs. Just you can click OK means this file will be added. For example, if you want to create your architecture, any other building information means this is apartment and all the things you can create here by using this components block. For example, if you have to create any musical instrument base, so there is so many libraries, inbuilt libraries are there. Just for example, if you have to create sports scenes, this is basketball and so many so many 3D images are available here. Just I want to add, for example, for understanding purpose, I am created architecture. It's apartment towers. Just you can. These are four split views are there. Here itself, we can transform the image in the center. You can see. Also, this node having center. Here itself, we can 3D image. You can select 3D image. You can create. You can apply background. Also, it is possible. I'm applying background scenes. In material library, so many textures library also there. You can also create your virtual scenes so that you can import here. Also, you can set the viewpoints. You can set the view types, zoom in and zoom type, and viewpoint, previous viewpoint and next viewpoint. You can also store this one by using this root menu. Here you can easily you can change the diffuse colors and all things. All things is possible now. And the navigation method, it is walk or examine or fly. Once you go for a real-time application simulation example, you can see what is walk, what is examine, what is fly, and also you can increase the speed of simulation. You can see. Based on that, you can create the 3D virtual scene or recording option. Then next one is VR play. Once you design the file, you can see we go to Simulink 3D animation player. In this player, you can open the VRML files. That is a virtual reality 3D files. It may be scene or it may be a video. You can play using this one. Now let us start with some. Up to this, we are finished. 3D Weld editor. What is the 3D Weld editor? We are seeing now. There is a root menu in the left pan. It shows. And also this is your the system dynamic examples. So many examples are there. Just you once you check this example means just you type VR live in this command. You will get the window like this. Here you click this one. You can see the Simulink 3D animation tool examples. Otherwise, just you see some more examples here. Here, this is a VRML language. What is VRML language? Here is the ISO standards, that is open text based, WW oriented format. Also, you can let us see later. We have virtual reality modeling language. What is this one? Here, these are the system dynamic system examples. How to add the sensors to the virtual worlds here. Here, in this virtual library, here also you can add the sensor here. Add sensors. By using this option, we can add based on your application, you can add sensor, cylinder sensor, and also add the light and the geometry. All the things are possible with this one. You can also add the sensor. All the sensor you can, by using these sensors, you can interact with the simulation of model based on users, actions or event occurring in the virtual world. And also some add VR source block. Here itself you can use the call the touch sensor and different types of sensors you can call. Here how to read this value of sensor values from MATLAB. These are all the steps are there. Once you type this steps in command window, you will get this output like this. What is the sensor? This is a model, WRL model. It is also available in MATLAB example file, so that if you have MATLAB software, you can practice this. Then some other examples, that is a VR bouncing balls. Once you type VR bounce in MATLAB command window, it is a virtual reality world editor. Now you close this one. Here, once, for example, one application VR bounce means this is a bouncing ball example. It is also one type of virtual reality applications. Once you run the simulation, this is a VR bounce block. That is a bouncing block simulation. Here it is taken from, for example, and this model is created by using this 3D animation toolbox. It is nothing but VR signal expander. This is where VR sync. Here these are all the normal blocks are taken from Simulink libraries. This is scope and all things. Okay, once you simulate this model, you can get the simulation of, this is a virtual, the VR bouncing ball scene is created with this 3D world editor. Before that, you can see this type of window. Okay, here when ball is hitting here, you can see the waveform. Parallelly, you can interface the scope, any type of input and output devices is possible. So that this is a simple example for a bouncing ball experiment. This is one simple example. Similarly, collision detection using line sensor. For example, VR collisions. If you type VR collisions, you will get this one. For example, this is a sensor, nothing but one collision detector sensor. Here, just you run this model, collision detector using line sensor. This is a robotic control. This is your VR source. This is your VR syncs. Once you finish the simulation, you can see the output result. Here, before that, you can see what is the examine, walk, and fly, none. Here, for this type of application, you have to choose examine application. There is a viewpoint you can see. So the viewpoint is this is a viewpoint of the sensor point. That is in this top side, left side view, right side view. So that so many views are there. This is your light. This is your view simulator rendering view. Here I choose this infinite stop time so that it can't able to run within the limit of simulation mode. Just because of less time, we are going fast. Later, we will, if you have any doubt, you can call. Okay, this is your play animation object. This is your VRealm builder options. This is your virtual reality software and world modeling. Here, how to once you are a fresh user, you have to type this instruction to get the VRealm software and world modeling here. By using these are one more software.
Sir, is it a free version, sir?
Which one, sir? I am using
VRealm, sir.
VRealm. These are also free version, sir. Once you got the Simulink 3D animation toolbox in your MATLAB version, it is free one, sir. It is also supports MATLAB supports.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
In this VRealm software and world modeling, you can get this one VRealm builder. After giving this instruction, there is a VR install viewer and VR install editor. you will get this type of window. You can choose, you can model a railway, 3D railway modeling also. It is possible by using this software, VRealm Builder 2.0 software. Here, this is a Simulink browser, virtual reality well driven by models here. Import here also import CAD and robot models. Also, you can link any type of interface, any type of, you can also interact with virtual worlds. The Simulink 3D animation products offer a set of inbuilt functions and also collective graphical user interface blocks are available here. Here we are placeholder and we are signal expander blocks are so many importance for all the type of experiments. That is our we are signal expander and this is one we are placeholder. Okay, I mean, these are all the blocks are you need to design 3D world virtual environment as scenes or videos. Here how to links your Simscape multi-body models. In MATLAB, so many toolbox are there, particularly the Simscape multi-body models, especially for robotic type of application, any kind of spacecraft design, any kind of projects, any kind of projects you need to use of this Simscape multi-body models toolbox here. Here, next example, how to interface with your own model, how to generate this robot arm with the virtual reality simulation. Just you type this command in command window. Okay, this is our model created by using this one. Once you here, and this is the robotic models taken from images because these are all 3D images. For example, this is your first link 1, link 2, and this is your link 3. Based on this, these are the components of these are robot based. These are the components is taken from a robot model. That is a CAD models. Nowadays, the mechanical engineers are used in this CAD model or any other mask model. There is a mask. This is called as mask. Based on that, it is created. This is a one joint, one link, one is another link. This is one another link. Here one link. Based on that, we created one robot. That is a robot. Because we can see the joint angles. Once you when you run, see the joint angles also there. In this manner, you can visualize your outputs in this scope manner. Okay. Now we can see once I run this model. But these are all the blocks taken from this Simulink 3D animation toolbox. You can see parallelly, you can see the visualization scopes. What are the points that is where pitch angle, that is a rotation of all the parts you can find out. For example, again, I am playing here. Run this one. You can see what all the movements are done by the robots. It shows this scopes. It's also by using this interfacing this scope, you can analyze the model, analyze this one. Okay, here itself you can design. You can see that by using this 3D world editor, we can see the viewpoint. You can set the viewpoint. Before we discuss about 3D world editor, how to set the viewpoints. Here, left side, right side view. In this manner, you can see. This our light, so that based on that you can create your own project. This is also one type of virtual reality applications. The next one is there's a vehicle dynamics visualization with graphs. For example, once you have a car in running race mode, what are the speed, what is the acceleration, what is the lateral acceleration, what is the longitudinal acceleration. Here also some camera sensors are available here. Some of the cameras are placed on top or left side view or right side view. Based on the camera values, we can, based on that sensors, we can analyze speed, analyze acceleration and all things. How to get this data from sensor by using this MATLAB Simulink toolbox. We can also interact, you can also interface any type of interface, any type of hardware equipments and hardware components. It's possible with this one. That's this example. Yes, sir. You can see we are Actavia graphs example. Here, this is the model created from this MATLAB Simulink 3D animation toolbox. Here, these are all the vehicle dynamics modes, model inputs. What are the vehicle position and forces and steering angle and wheel speed and wheel spin and all things. These are the inputs. Here, these are VR visualization blocks. It is available in VR library. That is virtual reality library in Simulink. Here, this is a graphs. You can see VR visualization with graphs and all things. Here, these are the blocks we need to construct this vehicle dynamics visualization graphs. Now you can see the visualization. This is a car is running in race ground. You can see the sensors. There is a this is a sensor is placed in inside the driver view. Is there here also you can change the viewpoint. It's a rear camera. This is a top camera. Based on that, you can check this one. This is a side view, right side view. This is a back side view. Based on that, these are in this manner. It's going on. Based on that, speed and acceleration, you can see the graph in parallel manner. This is the one type of application how to interface multimodal inputs interface with this virtual reality environment. Once we have to create the virtual screen. This is one type of game development also by using this one. You can also drive this vehicle, also control this vehicle. It's all things is possible. These are one of the example for virtual reality applications. The next one is another important one. Previously we discussed what is the application of this virtual reality simulation with this industry modes. For example, once I have to design one safety equipment. It is implemented in new available cars. For example, by using this example shows how to model an automatic crash test with front seat belt crash dummy. For example, here seat belt is taken the driver. How it is possible because in this type of car manufacturer can advertise by using our car. If it is a accident preventing system, it is compatible with accident prevents system. For example, we see the example. You can see clearly. You can get the clarity. And this is the model created by using the same Simulink 3D animation toolbox and some MATLAB Simulink files. Okay, now you can see the model. Okay, these are the visual VR signal expander, VR EM source and sinks are available. Lot of VR libraries are utilized here. Just you see, this is a before run. You can see the model. This is, I assume this is where vehicle. There is a car. The driver wearing the seat belt. Here one. Just you see, if the car met accident, the driver will not move to forward. So that most of the accident, most of the death is done with this. Whenever met the accident, the driver move forward to the car. Where by using this particular airbag and some other seat belt arrangements, we protect the driver. See the example again. Okay, Now, in this manner, they are advertise their own products, advertise their car models. It is useful for this kind of application. And the next, another one application. And this is a before simulation and after simulation diagram. And these are one of the main example for this virtual application, virtual drone camera. Here, unmanned camera can capture the image. It is the example for video capturing video or capturing image from virtual cameras. Here, some place of virtual camera sensors recording the videos from any other point of buildings or any other environment by using this virtual reality application. It's a quadcopter project, this one. Here, already we discussed about how to get this interface with this type of drones. Go to Mathec website. You have to install. You need to install the hardware support packages for particular hardware, so that you can get. For this example shows this Parrot series mini drones application. This is a toy quadcopter. To show the quadcopter in 3-dimensional environment, it uses the Simulink 3D animations, and all the things are developed here. Here also, this model is by using with Simulink 3D animation toolbox and computer vision toolbox. Here, trajectory generation tools are also there. You can give the set of instruction to the drone. Move forward, move. You have to mention the waypoints. You have to mention the fly zone and all things. By using this ASB trajectory tool, in this tool, we can start the animation. You can give the instruction in the form of giving the values like this, northeast and heading, bending manner. You can set your own trajectory data. Here, how to get this simulation model? Just you type this command in command prompt. This is a loading project. It shows the project here. I think 250. Okay, one more example we are going to see. Another one. It takes some more time. This is our drone project. This is created, scene created with 3D Weld Editor. This is our Simulink diagram. These are output visualization blocks. Once you run this simulation, there is a quadcopter flight simulation model. Just you can see the output. It takes some more time for compiling and showing the result. Okay. Now our drone will work. It is a real-time project. If you have real-time hardware like mini Parrot drone means, you can control by using we can control by using this MATLAB software itself. Here itself we can program to drone. You can set the trajectory data. You can set what ways drone will go. Here, for example, it captures like this. Also, you can set the viewpoints. These are our drone making the scenes. Okay, in this manner, you can interface the real-time hardware with this MATLAB. No other softwares are supported for this type of real-time interface with this one. Especially MATLAB is a perfect suitable software for real-time simulation, and also we can optimize this model. Also, optimization also available here. Once you before you move to hardware, you can check with this simulation. You can analyze your design model and all things. So there are in Simulink also so many applications, so many modeling techniques, so many code generation products also there. For example, if I go for this modeling point in model settings, also code generation process also there. Also you can program it here. Okay, for click here hardware implementation, you can select your hardware board also. You can see different types of hardware boards we can select. For example, if you want to take one more project for, we have to import to Arduino board. There is so many hardwares are supported here. Arduino board and Raspberry Pi board and Xilinx development board. These are all the boards we can use. Okay, here, for example, code generation also it's possible. You have to create your C++ code or VHDL code. Also, device vendor also there. There are so many device vendors are there, especially for Intel, Microchip, NXP, Texas Instruments, and ASIC, FPGA, AMD. So many device vendors are there. Based on your devices, you can choose. You can also implement your hardware. Here, this is a code generation project. In this code generation also, once you develop your code, once you get this code for your complete design, also your optimization also is possible here, so that you can implement. It's a final one. We are see one more example. These are another example for 5G antenna array simulation for millimeter wave wireless reality headsets. It is developed by this author, that is Hong and Choi. That is a 60 gigahertz array antenna for 5G wearable application. Nowadays, we are moving with 6G. Here, 5G wearable applications. These are all the outputs you can see with this mounted in head, so that we can simulate this 5G antenna array. And this is our final session. This is a design of Apollo 11 moon landing. There is nothing but one spacecraft defined. This is a project. It's developed by MathWorks. That is Richard Gran and O.C. Sarela. Here, this is a top-level Simulink model of the lunar model. So many things were left it because of less time. This is the design of Apollo lunar model oil autopilot mode. It is a reaction jet controller. These are so many interactive controllers are there. In this subsystem, there are so many subsystems are there. In this subsystem, reaction jet control, lunar model dynamics, and jet commands, state commands. These are all taken from aerospace block set along with Simulink 3D animation toolbox, because we have to animate your real time or get the image, get the video from the sensor. That is a spacecraft design sensor. Your lunar model dynamics are involved here. This model can sense multiple functions, including simulation analysis and code generation also there. This figure shows the top level simulation model of the lunar model digital autopilot. Here now we can see the output diagram. See the result, visualization result. Here also one side view of this lunar spacecraft, that is your lunar model. Here this is another side view, that is a follow lander 2 viewpoint, and lander 3 views, and that is a lander 1 view, lander 2 view, 3 view. Okay, based on that you can see the output. Also this by using these jet commands. One plot is phase plot will come after simulation. Okay, based on that movement of this lunar, the phase plan plot automatically plots. This is an interactive application of this MATLAB Simulink software. It is nothing but the design of lunar model, digital autopilot design. That is a spacecraft design. Here itself, we can immediate value of this switch curve and turning jets, and also yaw control, yaw attitude error, and attitude rate of error. All the things are possible here. For example, you can see in this manner you can analyze. This example shows how Richard Gran and other engineers who worked on the Apollo lunar model digital autopilot design team could have done it Simulink StatFlow, aerospace block set, and this Simulink 3D animation toolbox. It is example available by entering this command arrow underscore depth 3 degree of freedom. That is a 3DOF. You can see the graph. With this limited time, I hope all of understand this one. Any other doubt means you can ask.
Participants, if you have any queries, you can ask now.
Sir, can you check the chat box, sir?
Yes, now only I'm seeing, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I have one query. I'm from mass communication, so whatever the software you have discussed is more about the computer language and everything. Is there any software which, as a lay person, I can understand and I can use?
No, madam. I can't get your question, madam, clearly.
Sir, whatever the software you have discussed is about MATLAB
MATLAB
and
software. Yes, madam.
yes, sir. So it's related to your programming language. So
Yes.
is there any software is available which is more easy and which can be done by other people also who are not from the computer background, the
So
more
many softwares,
rigorous computer backgrounds?
so many softwares are available, madam, called DSpace and also so many virtual reality simulating 3D simulators. So many simulators are there. These are all not user friendly, not supported with programming, not supported with this kind of applications. With this MATLAB, MATLAB is the one of the best technical language for technical computing. Also, you can interface any type of hardwares. You can also analyze the model, optimize your model. This can be done by using especially MATLAB only. But some of the softwares are there, but there are some limitations. There are some drawbacks also there.
Sir, one more question is there. A very small question is, last month I was trying to do some research on this augmented reality and virtual reality on advertisements, but I was not able to get a proper advertisements of these kinds of augmented reality, which has augmented reality or virtual reality. So why the industry is, our industry is still not taking this as a serious issue, and they're not producing these kinds of ads. No.
No, madam. Nowadays, during this pandemic situation, all of you go with virtual reality based on virtual reality and augmented reality based on education systems now, coming soon. Okay, here this type of last example we are seeing, that is a air crash back some example. This is a one type of advertisement only. They are selling the product with this type of options are available here, so that you can advertise with this one. It is coming soon, man.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So means
Thank
like
you.
normal products will also use these kinds of techniques. Like suppose I want to sell soap. So
Yes.
the production company will use virtual reality and augmented reality to sell soap also. Means these kinds of era or the situation will come soon.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Surely, madam. Because nowadays the blackboard technology and the whiteboard technologies are there, and the students from they are studying in for one of my subscriber, one of my student studying in China. Here itself, he is living in Chennai. Here itself, the China professors are giving their lecture in blackboard manner or whiteboard this whiteboard technology. They are they're getting knowledge. They are getting exposure of real-time environment based on this virtual and augmented reality only. Nowadays, people are move with this type of technology only during this pandemic situation. These are most
Thank you, sir.
most okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Any other? Sir Rajsagar sir asking to some.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, actually, I asked for the list of softwares that anyhow you have already answered for Seema madam's question, sir. No issue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, it is clear, sir, and it is very nice session.
Because of less time, we move forward, move fast, so that I left out some more things. Later we'll see.
No, sir. Obviously,
thank
sir,
you.
because such a big software, you cannot express the entire concepts in just 1 hour, sir. It will not. It
Yes,
is not at all possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By no one, it is possible.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
So thank you, sir. It's time for vote of thanks. On behalf of the Nanamani College of Technology, Department of CSE, from Namakkal. We wish to express our gratitude to our honorable resource person for being with us on this session. So our presence and gentle works are a source of encouragement for all of us in this COVID situation. Thank you so much, sir. So we can able to know the simulating software, the basics. Okay, sir. So thank you very much for this nice session, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for
Thank
giving
you.
this opportunity, madam.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
the
you all.
feedback,
Thank you all.
yeah, feedback form is posted in the chat box. Kindly fill participants. So kindly fill the feedback form. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.